Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hair care, fashion, beauty hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So that now you can avail buy one get one free on your favorite personal care and hair care brand, that is Wow Skin Science Skincare and Hair Care, at their Wowsome sale. So their products are completely free from any chemicals, any parabens, any sulfates, and they are 100% safe to use. So what are you waiting for? Stop whatever you are doing and go and shop your favorite products at www.buywow.in. Okay guys, so I have received these three products from Wow Skin Science. Now the very first product is their Wow Onion Black Seed Oil. This oil is very non-sticky, non-greasy, and again free from all the harmful chemicals you can ever imagine. Doesn't have any mineral, any dye, any chemical color to it. And the packaging looks like so. It comes in a very sleek packaging like this, having a very nice shiny type of box, you can say. And if I talk about the suitability, this particular product will suit every hair type. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. It does come in a plastic bottle like so. Now this oil helps to tame frizz, reduce hair loss, and boost glossy hair, balance scalp condition, and repair hair damage. So this is how it looks like. Does have a pump packaging, so it's very easy to dispense the product. Retails for 599 rupees for 200 ml of product. So it does have onion black seed, so it helps in boosting your hair, stimulating your hair. And it does have sweet almond oil, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, Moroccan argan oil, and castor oil, of course jojoba oil as well. So all these oils are rich in flavonoids, and onion seed oil, which is rich in flavonoids and sulfur. It helps in strengthening your hair strand, unclog blocked roots, and protect hair against any scalp infection. And black seed oil, it helps reducing hair loss and excessive dryness, dandruff, and scalp eruptions. And sweet almond oil, we all know that it just helps in making your hair looks more shiny and everything. It does have a spray packaging like so it's very easy to dispense the product. It's very lightweight, as you can see, and it does have a very mild fragrance of onion, not onion, I would say. It does have a very mild fragrance which appears Ayurvedic, I must say. And the texture of the oil is very light. It's very non-greasy, so definitely you can give this one a try if you are suffering from hair fall. So this will boost new hair and reduce hair fall. Next product is this one. This is their ginger hair oil, and it does have ginger and lemon as well. So this is for greasy, flaky scalp and thin and lifeless hair, and it is non-sticky and non-greasy. Again, it is dermat tested, does not have any mineral oil or silicones, and it is suitable for all the hair types. And let me just show you the packaging of this product. Okay guys, so now talking about this one. This is Wow Dandruff Care Ginger Hair Oil. So this is specifically for people who are facing issues from their dandruff, and this has warm aromatic infusion of ginger oil, rosemary, and tea tree oils. So it does come with a comb applicator like so it's very easy to apply onto your hair. And it is meant for greasy, flaky scalp and thin and lifeless hair. And it does have, again, non-sticky and non-greasy effect on your hair. It does come with a comb applicator, so it's very easy to apply onto your scalp directly. And definitely it has infusion of ginger, rosemary, and tea tree oils. And this retails for 325 rupees for 100 ml of product. So this might help you from making your scalp free from dandruff. Does have very light fragrance, and it is very lightweight, so you won't feel a thing when you are applying this. So many people don't want to apply hair oils, but trust me, once you apply these hair oil, your scalp won't feel greasy. That greasy feeling will not be there, and आपको बहुत ही सही लगेगा, अच्छा लगेगा. So definitely you can use this if you are facing dandruff and flaky and itchy scalp. Guys, the last product is this one. This is their Wow UVA UVB sunscreen, protection sunscreen, and it does have a matte finish. It has SPF of 35. And talking about the ingredients, raspberry extracts, it has carrot seed extracts and avocado oil, and it is dermat tested again for everyone. Now it comes in a pump packaging like so it's very hygienic and very easy to pour the product, dispense the product. And yeah, definitely I love how this product feels like on my skin. Now let's talk about their sunscreen. So this comes in a bottle, and this does have a pump packaging. So this has SPF 35. This is made in India, and this is how the packaging looks like. And this retails for 375 rupees for 100 ml of product. It is an, you can say that it's a vegetarian product, and it does have many natural skin blockers like raspberry, carrot seed and avocado oil. It has SPF 35 PA++, and it will help you against UVA and UVB rays. This is daily broad spectrum sunscreen with matte finish. It won't give you a greasy finish, and again this is free from any chemical, harmful chemical and paraben. So this does give my skin a matte effect, and it definitely does not feel that dewy and that greasy. Should every day apply sunscreen, no matter where you live, no matter what your weather conditions are. Definitely apply a sunscreen every day, and then in the evening wash it off. Okay guys, that was about it, and make sure to utilize the sale where you can get buy one get one. So definitely go ahead and shop your products, whatever you feel like, what you like from their range. So definitely go and shop, and let me know what you guys shopped or what is your favorite product from Wow Skin Science. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.